This tunnel is not a natural tunnel. It was dug by the railroad to meet up with the natural tunnel. And it's a hot day and there is no breeze down here. And a train actually does go through the tunnel. And it's not a guest train. It's a real train line. So now let's go see that tunnel.
When you look at the wall yourself, without the camera, you can't see any image, but through the picture, using your imagination, it looks like an angry Indian. You can see his chin, his mouth slightly open, his nose, and his eyes, or at least one eye, which would be the right eye. I hope you can see it in the video, see what I'm talking about.
Can't see in very well, but this is the natural tunnel. And it is quite large. And almost impossible to get. With the sun shining right down at you. That is it. Very large. Way up there is the pinnacle. And legend has it that a Cherokee lady and a Shawnee warrior fell in love, but were not allowed to marry each other. In desperation, they climbed to the top of the pinnacle and leaped off in hopes that they would be united forever in their love. This is probably a better view of the pinnacle.